Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to generate a CSR from WHM Panel. Log into WHM with root access. Search for SSL-TLS on the left side search bar and click on it. Now click on Generate an SSL certificate and signing request. Generate an SSL certificate and signing request page will appear on the screen. Under Contact Information, select this checkbox and enter an email address in this text box. From the key type drop-down, select the key type. By default, it is 2048-bit. Fill the fields under Certificate Information section with the required information. Domains. Enter the domain name on which you want the SSL to be activated. City. Enter the complete name of your city or locality. Avoid using abbreviations. State. Enter the complete name of your state or region. Country. From the drop-down list, select your country. Company. Enter the officially registered name of your business. Company division. It is the name of your department within the organization mentioned above. For example, IT, web security, SSL, etc. or simply leave it blank. Email. Mention your email address where the CSR will be sent. You can leave this field blank. Passphrase. It is another verification parameter to confirm the identity of a certificate requester. You can leave it empty. Then click on Create button and you will get a success message for generating a CSR. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.